32 years old, a college graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I am married with I am married with one daughter, age 8 years old. I'm currently working here in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. Um, but before that, I worked in Singapore for 4 years, taking care of a newborn baby and a 3 years old kid. My duty is to bless and feed the baby and change change clothes and nappies with them and do some household job like cooking, washing of clothes and cleaning and marketing. And and for here in Hong Kong, I worked for 2 years plus. And in my past employer, I'm taking care of 0 to 5 years old kids. Mainly, my main duties is to send and pick them up from school, preparing their food and their playmates too, and do household job like cleaning, marketing, and gardening, and some washing of clothes and washing of cars. And for now, for my present employer, I'm taking care of an autistic boy. He is 10 years old. My main duty is to look after with him, prepare his food, do marketing, send and bring, send and pick him up from school, and then and he and his and be his playmates too.